Yeah, I'd go right to the bottom of it.
Sounds good.
And that would be, I don't know if you were trying to like get slightly in there, maybe take these weird doors out.
Okay.
And you know, you get a little water flow. You know, it might draw a little bit of air, but it might still skim some of the stuff into it.
And the other one was Jesse's work.
Which one? It was earlier. Yeah. Why did it just shut down? Lose power? Hey, did you have a beauty plate? Hey, is this pool salt system? Yeah. What'd you do? You broke it, man. I wonder how, wonder why it all stopped. You didn't have a beauty plate, huh?
I'm not gonna lie, I forgot to look.
Okay. Because I might have one in my truck, too.
Yeah, I'll go look right now.
What about this table? Does he want a hand putting that table in? It's good to go.
Surrounding it?
Oh, man.
That sucks. I hope he's happy.
Everybody, 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock check-in out here on this big giant pool that three pool people put this liner in today. Gavlac Water Hauling Services, Gavlac Enterprises, Gavlac Pool Water. Thank you, Gavlac, for getting this pool filled up so that we were able to get this pump and filter running for the customer. Super excited about it. Just wanted to say thank you. What a beautiful job, right, folks?
How much to go down?